This is how the tab bar works. As you could see here, we're going to implement this in this video later in the section. So this is how it works. My name is Gopichandu, and in this video I'll be showing you how to implement the tab bars like you see in WhatsApp or any other app. So there are two ways to do it: by using a default controller or by using an additional container, that is your custom controller. So in this video I'll be showing you the easiest method, that is using the default tab controller. So here the scaffold will wrap this widget with default tab bar controller, and let's see what this has. It has a widget called child, and what are the parameters? See, the parameter length is required, so we need to mention this, and let's mention the length. So in this case, let's say 3, and let me just save this. Nothing happened. Now in the app bar, see, for the tabs you need to add some there should be a place to add your tab bar. So I'm choosing this app bar, and it has an add property called bottom. There I'll be adding a tab bar. So tab bar takes a list of tabs. As you could see, it takes tabs, and this cannot be a null, and its length must match the controllers. As we mentioned earlier, we have length given as 3, so we need to mention 3 tabs. So let me just make those 3 icons dot, let's say, home, and let me just copy this, and let me just save this. As you could see, we have 3 tab bars, mail, and if you want to change the color, you can change that. Let me just save this again. You could change the icon, like using the normal properties that icon has, and let's see what happens. It's working like a normal tab bar. Now coming to the body, whenever the home is tabbed, we need to see a home screen or a home widget. Whenever we click on the mail, you should see a mail kind of thing. So for that, the body should contain the tab bar weave, that is the widget that is required. So coming to the body, I have a container here. So here I'll be using a tab bar weave. So this has what it takes. Let's see, a controller, and coming to the animation, that's a different part I'll be covering in a different video. So it requires a list of widgets, as you could see here. So as there are 3 tab bar icons, we need 3 children widgets. So let me add 3 widgets, center, and I just enclose this in the text. Let's say the first one is home. So so let me just child. So let me just copy this, paste it 3 times, and let me just save this, and let me change this to mail, and the last one to camera. So let me just save this. Now you could see we have created successfully a tab bar in Flutter, and there are few things that you need here. So coming to the tab bar, we have some properties like, as you could see, indicator color, as well as some decoration and indicator size. So let's set this. So let me show you indicator color. That is, let me assign this to amber. It is, you could see indicator color is a color variable, final color indicator. So let me just save this. So you could see in the right side a yellow, that is an amber color line. So whenever you're you're indicating a tab, that is when you're present in a tab, it indicates the tab color in yellow. And let's add the indicator size. What it does is, as you have seen, something, let me just see what is its type. Indicator size. So wait a second. Indicator weight. Let me just show you what is indicator weight. As you could see, now I have increased the indicator weight, and you could see how thick the amber color line became. And you have also padding, that is label padding as well as indicator padding. You know what is padding, so I'm not explaining. So let me just set this to 10. Let me change. I should use edge and sets dot all. Let me just add 10. Let me just save. So you could see padding is added around these icons. So like this you can change things in the tab bar. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out the content. And let's see what we have here in the tab bar. We have label color and label, a text style for label. As we did not add any text, so we're not using that. So we have a label color. Let me just use that too. Label color, colors dot black. Let me just save. So all the items have turned to their they have turned to black. So there is icon, so I could change the color to colors dot green. Let me just save this. So by default, if I did not specify any color in the tabs that I mentioned, by default it takes the label color, as you could see here in this case. So is there anything left that I did not explain? Regarding animation, that's a different video I'll be covering. And yes, we have done almost everything. So if you enjoy this video, please do subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out.